Hello everyone, I'm back with episode 6 of Fun Fact Engine. And guess what? This week, Sunday, we are going to talk about Black Taj Mahal, some mysterious facts about it. So, tie your seat belt, let's go on a little journey with me and enjoy all the facts and interesting information. Do you know the Black Taj Mahal, also known as the Black Taj, Kala Taj, or the Second Taj, is a legendary black marble mausoleum that is said to have been planned to build across the Yamuna River opposite the Taj Mahal in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India. The elevation is 6.1 meter and it is located in Agra. The architectural style is Mughal architectural. Well, you have been thinking, why was the Black Taj Mahal not built? Well, according to Mami's book, Shah Jahan had written in his wish that he should be buried in Mehtab Bagh behind Taj Mahal. So, see, it's clear that Shah Jahan did not want it to be buried in Taj Mahal, the one which is built in Agra. He wanted to create another monument or building in which he can be buried. So, according to this, Aurangzeb had to build another big building behind the Taj Mahal, and also keep in mind that his Black Taj Mahal was not less than White Taj Mahal in any form. The belief holds that Shah Jahan planned a mausoleum to be built in black marble across the Yamuna River with two structures connected by a bridge. So he is saying that Taj Mahal and Black Taj Mahal had to be connected with a bridge. The idea originates from fanciful writings of Jean Baptiste Tavernier, a European traveler who visited Agra in 1665. Do you know the idea originates from fanciful writings of Jean-Baptiste Tavernier, a European traveler who visited Agra in 1665? As I said, it was suggested that Shah Jahan was overthrown by his son Aurangzeb before it could be built. Yes, Shah Jahan was imprisoned. Ruins of blackened marble across the river in the moonlight garden Mehtab Bagh seem to support this legend. Well, the Black Taj Mahal was built by the Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan in memory of his queen Arjuman Banu Begum or Mumtaz Mahal in 1631 AD and finally completed by 1653 AD. This second Taj was to serve as the emperor's mausoleum. The story goes that Shah Jahan even began the construction of this tomb but left it incomplete after he was deposed and imprisoned by his son Aurangzeb in Agra fort. It is said that he spent the last few years until his death as a prisoner gazing at the Taj Mahal from a window in the Agra fort. He used to see his Black Taj Mahal that was unable to build. The base was built, and his White Taj Mahal, which he built for his wife from the Agra fort from a small window. After his death in 1666 AD, Shah Jahan was buried in the same mausoleum with Mumtaz because the new generations did not know what was the Black Taj Mahal. They did not know reason behind it, why was it built, and what to do with it, and they did not have any idea of building it so that Shah Jahan can be buried in it. Well, thank you guys for watching this video, a short little journey with me, episode 6 of Fun Fact Engine Sunday, and I had one more fact information about it. I will put it on the image as the video will be, if I say that fact or well, the video will be very longer. So you can just take a screenshot and read it and put in here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed a short little journey with me. See you soon.